Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to talk about promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using only one account of My Lead Gen Secrets, day 60, I believe. Now, the reason why we only using one account is to try to emulate what people who are just starting or just getting into it would make. Essentially, you may make a little more, you may make a little less, but I'm trying to emulate it. You see what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I only use one account. All right, guys. Now, if you want to follow along, make sure to check the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, get these videos out there, hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. All right, so first let's talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business. It's because, let's see, number one reason is because it's a funnel builder. It's a very elaborate funnel builder that has no limitations on it, so to speak. You can make as many pages as you want, you can make as many funnels as you want, so on and so forth, right? But just $25, that's already a steal. It comes with other stuff too, but that's the main thing. And it's just useful in general when it comes to trying to make money online. If anybody would tell you that you need a funnel builder to try to make money online in a very successful way, so to speak. And the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, and it's around $97 per month, which is insane to me. And if it comes, you have a ton of limitations on it, like funnels, how many people can see your page, stuff like that. You have a lot of funnels, and if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to pay $300 per month, which is absolutely just insane. Don't ever pay $300 per month, guys. Don't pay $300 per month for something you can get for $25. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, guys, and plus, like, people who make funnels in the funnel builder, they can also add them to a list, so you can just get the funnel yourself if you want to when you sign in. Like, people who are in there can decide, hey, this funnel, I built this funnel pretty nicely. You can come in and check it out and use the same funnel that I'm using, so to speak. That's giving me sales. You get what I'm saying? So you can do that as well, which is helpful because all you need to do is add your affiliate link into it. But anyway, that's reason number one. But reason number two, which I think is the most important reason, and the reason why people are very interested, and my personal reason why I was interested in the $25 business is because there's affiliate system, which is unheard of anywhere. 80% recurring commissions. This is insanity, right? This is insanity. I never heard of affiliate system this high. In fact, the only thing that come close is OnlyFans, guys. And you know how much money them girls make. OnlyFans the closest. Twitch was at 70. YouTube's at 70. Twitch is going down to 50% per month. This and for affiliate products, forget about it. You know what I mean? 25%, something like that. 80% recurring commissions is unheard of, guys. You gotta promote this product, make some money, man. If you can't make money with this product, I don't know how you're gonna make money with other products. That's what I'm saying. You only need one person in, and you almost broke even. Well, if you have the products. Anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. First off, let's check and see if we got a sale. Looks like we did, but let's refresh the page and make sure. Okay. Yep, looks like we did get a sale yesterday, guys.
Nice.
Now that's wonderful news, and we want to continue on going with this path and continuously getting sales, guys. I can't personally show the information and stuff because YouTube's been cracking down on it. Plus, I don't want to really show other people's personal stuff on YouTube here. Especially this video might, by some way, get like thousands and thousands of views, and not everybody know their email address. Nah, I can't do that. Anyway, guys, awesome. This working out really well. Also, I want to also mention that if somebody doesn't refresh the page, there's no way to know if they're telling the truth. Okay, guys, what their results are. I'm showing you that. That's why I refreshed the page in front of you guys so y'all can see that these are the numbers I'm getting. Okay guys, so let's go on to the my lead gen secrets here, and we're gonna send an email here. We're gonna send one real quick here. Let me see what I want to go with. This get you to, let's try this one. I ain't sent this one in a while, so let's go with that one. All right guys, very simple. You see how simple that is? We're just gonna stick to that. We're gonna see what happens. I don't even got like a signature or anything in there, so it's a very simple email. Give that a shot and see what happens. I'm gonna start sending some simpler emails, but we're gonna send this one and see what happens. All right guys, make sure your link works and all that. Oh, by the way, this is what you want to do with your link. You want to link right here. Now what you want to do, you want to go to the affiliates page here, the same page I was on a second ago. I promote the all-in-one $25 business, guys. So I copy right there, copy my link and put it in right here like that, and you can click on this to make it happen or whatever. I'm showing you this to people because some people, I've gotten a question about how to put links into the email that you send, so I'm showing it for now on. I know it's a pretty simple thing to do, but some people don't know how to do it, so I show it. And make sure your link works, which it does. Okay guys, make sure to hit perfect timing, and what that does is send an email around time people check it, and you're done. It's just like that. You sent the email. Very simple to do, very easy to do, and you just do this every month. Only take about, every day, not every month, every day. Only take about 5 minutes to do. It only took me about 7 minutes because I'm sitting there talking the whole time, but for you guys, y'all can get it done within 5 minutes, easy. All right guys, just that simple. But anyway, that's all there is to it. Like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. All right guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.